Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day of our trip to France and Spain, and I have all the bags ready and still waiting for my husband to come home from work. So right after that, we're gonna head off to the airport, and I'm gonna definitely vlog if I get a chance, you guys. But definitely I'm gonna vlog a lot when we arrive in Europe, and I will see y'all later, guys. Hey guys, we just landed here in Atlanta and we are gonna board in like 3 hours to Amsterdam. So Amsterdam will be our layover, and we're gonna stay there for 4 hours in Amsterdam, and again another flight to Seville, which is our final destination. So I will definitely vlog as well when we are in Amsterdam airport. So we will just stay in the airport. We have just landed here in Amsterdam, so we're gonna wait for our flight to Seville, Spain, and that will be in 3 hours.
More or less. Less than 3 hours.
It will be in 3 hours, less than 3 hours. So we're excited. Oh, maybe we're gonna arrive Seville in 7 p.m. tonight. So, update ko kayo later, guys. Look guys, this is our room, and that is a king bed. Let me check out the view. Wow, this is downtown Seville.
Yes.
Yes, so this is our view from the room. Yay! So it's now 7 p.m. here in Seville. Oh, like 7. This is our bathroom. Looks nice, so clean and big. So that's me. Hello. I need a quick bath. And this is the shower. Yeah, I love it. So nice, guys. Oh, sorry. And do we have
There's the bed.
this here? Do you have closet here, babe? That's the TV. I just gave you a quick room tour, you guys. We're just gonna get ready tonight. Maybe we're gonna take dinner outside right after we shower because it has been 24 hours. Like, yung flight namin is over 24 hours, so we need to shower and to get ourselves some rest for tomorrow. We need to get some relaxation for tomorrow because it's gonna be a long day tomorrow. We're gonna look around and I'm definitely gonna vlog. So I think I'm gonna close my vlog for tonight, you guys. I will be starting my day 1 tour in Seville tomorrow. So I will see you all guys tomorrow.